Dental bridges cost comparison between Europe and Turkey. Dental bridges are an effective procedure to replace missing teeth. They can help you restore your smile as well as improve the overall health of your mouth. But the price of dental bridges can differ based on the location you reside in. In this short video, we'll compare the costs of bridges for dental use across Europe as well as Turkey in order to assist you in making the right decision on the best place to go for this procedure. Cost of dental bridges in Europe. In Europe, the cost for dental bridges may vary depending on the location and the dental clinic in which the treatment is provided. The average cost of a bridge made by a dentist in Europe could range between 500 to 3,000 euros for each tooth. The price is inclusive of the cost of the bridge itself as well as the material used as well as the work of the dentist. Countries such as Germany and the UK. Countries like the UK, Germany, and Switzerland are known to have the highest costs for bridges to the mouth due to the costs of living as well as the quality of the dental services. In these areas, it is possible to spend between 1,500 to 3,000 euros per tooth to get a dental bridge. However, some countries such as Poland, Hungary, and Czech Republic offer more affordable costs for dental bridges, costing between 500 and 1,000 euros for each tooth. Cost of dental bridges in Turkey. Turkey is now a sought-after tourist destination due to the high-quality care provided by dentists with affordable costs. Dental bridges cost in Turkey is considerably lower in comparison to Europe, which makes an affordable alternative for those looking for dental care. In Turkey, it is possible to find a dental bridge could range between 200 and 800 euros for a tooth. The price is based on the same elements as Europe, including the bridge as well as the materials and labor. The less expensive cost for dentist-made bridges and dental implants in Turkey is because of the low costs of living as well as the exchange rate that is favorable. Advantages of getting dental bridges in Turkey. There are many benefits to having dental bridges made in Turkey. First, the savings could be substantial, particularly for those with multiple dental issues. When you get dental care in Turkey, it is possible to save hundreds of dollars compared to receiving the same procedure in Europe. Second, Turkey is home to numerous highly experienced and skilled dentists that are educated on the most recent dental practices and techniques. It is possible to get high-quality dental treatment at modern, well-equipped dental dentists. The third reason is that dental tourism in Turkey is a well-established practice, with numerous clinics that cater to patients from abroad. It is easy to find an English-speaking team and help in arranging travel, which makes the experience of getting dental care in Turkey easy and effortless. Conclusion. The cost for dental bridges Turkey is considerably lower than Europe, which makes it an appealing option for those looking for affordable, high-quality, and cost-effective dental treatment. If you decide to purchase dental bridges from Turkey, it is possible to reduce costs without sacrificing the quality of care. Take a look at all options and investigate different dental clinics to determine the one to meet your requirements and your budget. Your oral health and your smile is worth the investment, and so you should make an informed choice when choosing dental bridges.